Today, let's discuss the screen printing of SMT mounters. About 60% of PCBA boards need rework due to poor solder paste printing. The main aspects are: first, solder paste control. It covers the supply and correct use of solder paste, and the operation of adding it to the printer. Using expired or unstirred and warmed up solder paste, or not coating as per the steel mesh window opening width can likely affect the printing quality. Second, the rigid requirements of the stencil, like the window opening treatment of special solder pads, its tension, thickness, and opening method. We need to make it by standards and experience. Third, the control of printing parameters, such as the alignment of PCB and the stencil, the pressure, speed, and the molding speed of the scraper. These relate to the final printing effect. Fourth, the cleaning of the stencil. Usually, for dense bin ICs with a pitch less than 0.4 mm, clean every 5 sets of prints. For precise devices, clean each time to prevent residue and ensure cleanliness. Two cleaning methods are adopted. One is automatic cleaning through the steel mesh wipes inside the printer. The other is manual cleaning. It is worth mentioning that our printer has added a cleaning method of vacuum absorption of residues.
For more information, please follow FAST TURN Group PCBA to help you learn more. Thanks for your listening.